So today we will be painting a watermelon. So I will be starting with wet and wet. I will start with the pigment 679, very light wash. And in the bottom part, I'm starting with a light wash as well with the 805. And with a little bit more dark wash with the same color, the 679, I will literally just put some dark spots. I basically just doing a little bit like some dots. That's the only thing that I'm doing, and help the pigment spread on the paper. Again, one more wash. And now I'm in this third wash. I'm mixing a little bit of the other red pigment, which is the pigment 691. It's everything written on the description below. Now I'm using the olive green for the bottom part, and I mix the olive green with the forest green to make a more vivid wash. And I literally using the wet and wet and did like just some dots and let the pigment spread. Now with a very small brush, I'm doing more dots. I'm gonna do one more wash on the watermelon using the the 679, doing some dots to make the colors a little bit more dark, and I'm creating a little bit more of texture. I'm doing kind of lines, soft lines. Now I'm creating kind of like some lines. I create the lines with the forest green. This will give a little bit of texture. And now I make some of the lines a little bit thicker. And now I'm using a little bit of the orange, the red orange, to give a little bit more of warm tones to some places on the watermelon. As you can see, basically the sides of the watermelon are a little bit more warmer. So that's what I'm doing. I'm giving a little bit more and adding again more dark spots to the watermelon, creating more texture. Basically, is doing a lot of dots to creating this like fluffy and like juicy watermelon. And I'm going back to the bottom, the green part, and I'm removing and kind of like spreading some lines to make some lines mixing with the rest of the green to not be like as sharp. Now I'm putting with the 679 up very like all over wash, just to make everything like more even. And now I'm adding a little bit more of like details, adding more lines. By the way, most of my brushes are Velvet Touch, which is one of the pencils that I like the most. I'm doing more dotting to add more texture to the watermelon. And now I am adding with the white some fine lines, and with the paper I'm basically just like, after I do the line, I dab the paper to remove the excess, so we create some texture without being too much. This will give like this beautiful shine to the watermelon. And that's it. That's how I did the watermelon full of detail. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thumbs up.